Hi, I'm Tim Filippone, Certified Public Accountant, and this is tax tip number 10. Something that happens to clients inevitably throughout the years is that I have a client who comes to me and says, Tim, I don't have the money to pay the tax. What do I do? Well, the first thing you always should do is go to family and friends and see if there's anyone that you could borrow the money from on a short-term basis. If that doesn't work, then the next thing you should do is see if you have available room on your credit card, because you can pay your taxes nowadays with your credit card. The next step is to look at a short-term payment option with the IRS. The IRS gives you the option of waiting 120 days to pay the bill before they start collection action. However, you will be subject to interest and penalties for late payment. If that isn't an option, then the next option is asking for an installment arrangement. Now, there is a fee from the IRS, and you have to pay the most you can pay each month, not more than 36 months. Additionally, the total amount of the tax liability can't be in excess of $25,000. Also, if you haven't paid your previous year tax, this is not an option. The IRS will not allow you to have a previous year tax liability open and accept you for an installment arrangement. Lastly, you can have an offer and compromise placed for you with the IRS. These don't work very often, and you have to make a down payment. And the IRS these days doesn't like to give you an offer and compromise unless you really absolutely have no way to pay or no potential way to pay in the future. This has been tax tip number 10, how to pay your taxes.